Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you real quick how to make this beautiful pearl beaded handle. If this looks like what you're interested in, then you should keep watching, okay? For this project you would need a pearl bead. I'm actually going to be using the size 16 pearl bead for this project. Next off, you're going to be needing your fish line. I'm using the 0.70 mm, and again you're going to be needing a pair of lobster claw hook, a pair, which is 2. And then lastly, you'll be using your scissors. That's all you'll be needing for today's tutorial, okay? To begin, you're going to cut about 40 inches length of fishing line. Then you're going to place your fishing line into the lobster claw hook, and then you're going to double your fish line, that is, add both ends of your fish line together to make it one, so as for you to string down your pearl beads like I'm doing now. You're going to string down your pearl beads into your line. Now the number of pearl beads depends on how long you want your beaded handle to be. For me, I'm going to be stringing down 12. Depending on how long you want your beaded handle to be, that's the amount of pearl beads you'll be stringing down your line. Me, I actually stringed down 12. If you count, you're going to notice that it's 12. I actually stringed down 12 because that's how long I want my pearl handle to look. After stringing down the pearl beads, you're going to take the second lobster claw hook and place it into the line. Now you're going to string that back, like you're going to string back your line into your pearl beads. You're going to string back your line into your pearl beads, just like I'm doing. Once you string that back, you'll make sure you drag so that it will be firm. Just drag and make sure your line is equal, like I'm doing. Make sure your line is equal. Once you do that, you're now going to tie. Flip it over and tie. Once you tie, make sure you drag. Make sure you drag for it to be firm. Tie, and please double tie. Once you tie the first time, you double tie, like I'm doing. So once you're done with that, you're not just going to end there. You're not going to end there. You're going to go into another pearl bead, like go into some other pearl beads, maybe two more pearl beads, like I did 2 more pearl beads. Once you do that, once you pass it through 2 more pearl beads or 3 more pearl beads, whichever you want to, then you're now going to tie again. You're going to tie again. And please guys, don't forget to double tie when you get to this place. Double tie and make sure it is firm. Once that is done, you're still not going to end there. You're still going to pass it again into some of the pearl beads, like 2 more pearl beads or 3, whichever you want. You're going to pass it through the pearl bead, and then when you get to this point, you don't need to tie again. You just have to cut out your excess fish line. Any excess fish line, you cut it out and you're good to go. This is what your work should be looking like. So I did 2 orders off camera. And you're going to see what they are looking like. This is it, and they are not equal length. Two of the handles are 12, while the other one is 14, and they are ready to be attached to our beaded bags. These are super lovely. And so guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial, and I really hope you find this video helpful. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will keep recommending it to more people. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out on more content to come. And I will see you in our next video. Bye.